Take a look at this beautiful Cadillac, 1941 Cadillac Series 62 sedan convertible. Guess I could call this an antique burgundy, I guess. And has had a repaint and restoration work to it, and it definitely shows. And then that is highlighted by this red interior, beautiful rich combination. The top on this vehicle is a saddle or camel fabric top. Speaking of the top, Mark Liminen of Thread Baron recently replaced that, FYI, before I forget. And we will put it up at the end of the video here so you can check it out. It is a manual top, and you'll be able to see it at the end of the video. Very, very nice shape, great color contrast with this car, very rich looking. All right, speaking of rich looking, take a look at the headlight surrounds, front bumper, grille, of course that Cadillac insignia and logo. Definitely a real head turner and stunning car anywhere you take it. Of course, the hood ornament, that is the trunk release, and we're going to get into that in just a second. But first, I want to tell you where to check out the still pictures. So if you want to take your time looking through the pictures, see the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. All right, a few things for future reference. Next owner of this car, or if you're watching this video, the battery shutoff is in this front fender passenger wheel well. So if it is pointing down, it's on. So in the passenger front wheel well is the battery on-off switch. Down is on. Of course, I mentioned earlier, your hood release is this hood ornament. When you open and close this hood, make sure both front doors are closed on the car. Also, when you're closing the hood, do not slam it. And when you go to lock it and latch it down, hold the hood ornament up, close the hood all the way down, and then lock or latch your front hood latch with that ornament. All right, as you can see, paint shows well, as does the bright work on this car. Same as the interior, this red vinyl also showing very nicely. Stock looking dash. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see there, the rear fender skirts and that Cadillac logo. Let's take a peek at the bright work. Rear bumper, taillight surrounds, no pitting, chrome, nice shape. The previous owners, I should say the consigners of this vehicle, who will be the owners till it's sold, then they will become the previous owners, have taken this vehicle on numerous touring events here in Minnesota and the Midwest, some of them in the 800 to 1,000 mile variety, since owning it in the mid-2000s. A few miscellaneous things that are going to go with this. As you can see, some bright work pieces. These are actually the B pillars. When we put the top down, we took those out. So those are the B pillars once the top is up for support. Some different miscellaneous pieces. There'll be still pictures of that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Some other things to know about: recent service work, new fuel tank and sending unit, oil and antifreeze was recently changed. Told you guys about the newer top earlier, and we're going to put that up here just shortly. This is a positive ground system also. Underneath the hood, by the way, 346 V8 with a manual transmission. Door panels, carpeting. You can see all show well. How comfortable would this be cruising down the road? Take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Like I said, on these touring events, you can barely hear this car run when it started up. So let's go ahead and start it up. Speaking of that, turn the key, push button right above it. Can you hear that run? And or did you hear it start? Have not had the radio working, by the way. I could get it to power up and the lights stay on. Never got any music or any sort of radio station coming out of it. Fuel gauge does work, by the way. There, can you hear that? Oh, and by the way, there's fuel pressure if you wanted to see it. Wow, this runs smooth. Door closes nicely. Barely hear it. That would be an L head also, 346 L head. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood open and check out that engine bay. And we'll check out the top, wrap up this video. There we go, hood popped. How stunning that even is with the hood open. Wow. And very stock underneath here. First of all, let's get a shot from the front. Take a look at this. Let me show you what this is all about here in just a second. If I let it run a little bit before I pop the hood. So there it is. So V8, 346. Listen to how smooth that is. Just look around to the driver's side. FYI, the VIN on this car is actually stamped from the frame down there. So it would have been from Cadillac. Now, something I want to show you, it's kind of cool on this. You can see down here, there's grates right there. Those are actually open right now, so let it warm up a little bit. And there is a thermostat up here that will open those grates up to allow air to pass through there. When it's cold, that thermostat will have that grate tight. Once it warms up, pulls this rod, that opens and closes the grates. How cool is that? And it is in working order, FYI. They were closed earlier, taking pictures. So I had it running and warmed up. Wow. All right, one last thing. Let's put this top up. Again, it is a manual top, recently replaced. And let's take a look what kind of shape it's in. I'll put those B-pillars in. You'll be able to see those when I do a little walk around.
Here we have a 1941 Cadillac Series 62. I'll take it for a little drive today. Started indoors, and the temperature gauge is on cold. I'll let you know if that does come up. The charge and discharge gauge is showing that it is charging. The fuel gauge is at 3/4, which I'm told is full. The oil pressure is approximately 35. Radio did not seem to function. Turn signals do work. We've got wipers. Our wipers work.
And here it is with the top up. Again, manual top. Easy to put up. Folds nicely. Latches easily. And as you can see, is in nice shape. Remember earlier in the video, stated it has been replaced recently, free of rips, tears, holes. Fits nice and tight. Really not any discoloration. It's kind of it's a fabric, obviously. A little heavier duty. Nice fabric, almost like a canvas. Around to the passenger side. Of course, you're going to notice these B pillars now that are inserted in the car when the top is up. Those are easily removed when the top goes up and down. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Wow, what a beauty with the top up or top down. 1941 Series 62 Cadillac Sedan convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.